El Prado in Palo Alto, and I just wanted to show you this balcony area really quick, which is super epic, and it reminds me a lot of Italy, Europe. And then there's this beautiful courtyard, and then we got our seats here, our outdoor seats, and then across the way we see everybody else's balcony. We are on the 4th floor. It has definitely like a European, I would say Italian vibe, maybe Spanish, I don't know, but it's definitely a beautiful hotel. We got the king bed, big screen TV, we got the snacks, all the munchies here, and the pricing for that. Underneath here we got a full stocked refrigerator with all the, whoa, that's a lot of alcohol in there. I never seen this much, like 2 of everything. Cookies, chocolate, nuts, wine, all that kind of stuff. Just wanted to show you the rest of the room. This is rare to have a real plant in a room like that. Got the desk here. We have a robe, a safe, extra blankets, iron, a pair of slippers down there, and drawers. And they give you also like a tray for whatever you need. Also, they give you 2 luggage racks. We're using 2 of them right there. It's one of those old school rooms where you gotta put the key inside of this thing right here so all the electricity can work. But yeah, I just want to show you the king bedroom in the El Prado on the 4th floor with its beautiful balcony. I got this room on HotelTonight for under $300, so if you want to get a room like this in Palo Alto, California at the El Prado, click in the link in the description, use my coupon code for $50 off. I forgot to show you the bathroom. So the bathroom is cool because it comes with these dental floss things and mouthwash. What else it comes? Makeup remover, shower cap, and cotton pad and stuff like that. Lotion attached to the wall, and then soap underneath. We got extra everything. I don't know. Oh, that's a hair dryer. We got a mat for the shower. Inside we got a nice clean marble shower wall, and then a waterfall shower head, and our beautiful scented shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And this glass door right there. Not the biggest bathroom, but it looks very, very clean and also super luxurious. Always. Hi. And that's the room from the courtyard right there. And this is the beautiful courtyard. That's a restaurant right there. And here are some more tables to the restaurant.